Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls, my beautiful friends of love and light. Dear friends, I have connected with you today to make a prediction for the upcoming 7 to 10 days energies. And this reading I'm exactly making after the 10 days time frame, because the last reading that I had made showed us that you guys are in high vibrational energies. You have the grounded energy to face a lot of challenges. However, the last 7 to 10 days were a period of some kind of competition, challenges, some kind of challenging situations were definitely there, as because of the lunar eclipse energy. If not, you were confronting them physically. It could have been emotional or mental, something that everybody was going through. Would have been a lot emotional because it was the Piscean lunar eclipse. So it took a whole period of 7 to 10 days for the healings, for the energies to settle down. And I was constantly checking with the divine whether I should begin my 7 to 10 days next prediction. But today only, even I was releasing a lot of energy. My sacral chakra and root chakra were going through some kind of healing. Lower chakras also, most probably because of the ancestral healings also, which I took with Reena. And the ancestors have also connected with me, dear friends, and I have received a suggestion to do a Pitri Paksh healing, that is the ancestral healing. There is one of our subscribers, our friend on YouTube and Facebook. Her name is Usha Giri, and she has given this request. And there's a whole, para, what all she has mentioned that should be there in the healing. And in the upcoming week, that is my first priority during the time frame of this Shraddh season, where all of us are going to give homage to our ancestors and take the blessings. I am going to make one good healing incorporating all the suggestions, and I am seeing the ancestors are connecting with me for my healing as well. I want to take this opportunity and make this massive, strong, nice healings. Even Archangel Metatron is connecting for this healing with the ancestors. We're going to do this in the upcoming week. Also, to remind you guys that if you guys want to join Reena for her healings, the workshop, that healings that she is doing on Zoom, there is one more healing that she's offering on the 2nd of October. If you guys have not booked with her, get in touch with her through WhatsApp, and the healing is going to be on Zoom. And I am again going to be there on the second healing on 2nd of October. So there is a small energy exchange that you have to make the payment and book yourself for that. All right. So in this reading, dear friends, if you happen to see it when I'm making it, we are on the 22nd of September. So this is going to be until the end of September. The upcoming 7 to 10 days, that is the end of September. However, this is a timeless reading. So if you ever happen to see it anytime after, or whenever you happen to click from that particular day, when you happen to click on this reading, from that particular day up till the period of 7 to 10 days, this energies can be applicable for you if you believe and trust. Okay, dear friends. So the incense that has been given to me is of frankincense. This is also grounding. Root chakra, feet chakra, earth star chakra, Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. And luckily we have not been given any cloves or green salt energy, which tells me that rock salt energy, which tells me that this week also we are immensely, I believe that this week the protection is coming from our ancestors. So we are protected, we are under the guidance and the blessings of our ancestors. I am believing in this week. Okay, dear friends, so in this candle you can give your intentions also, what all you want to manifest in this week, what blessings you want for this week. All right, dear friends. I have not been given any crystals for this week. However, I am pulling whichever I have over here present. So I have the clear quartz, which is going to bring a lot of clarity. This is the Crown Chakra. I am sensing by the color that I am wearing, it is beigeish color, which I believe is a mix of, the mud that is brown with the white. So what I'm sensing, because the incense is also being given of frankincense, it is like, as above, so below. So I would be taking a few grounding crystals over here, black obsidian, and this is for the Crown Chakra, the upper chakra, shungite. These two crystals I'm keeping for the deep down grounding. So this is like a balancing of upper chakras with the lower chakras. The more we are going to connect with our divines, spirits, the more we are going to be blessed by our ancestors. It is like, the ancestors this time are kind of, giving us a guidance that, take out some time to connect with your soul. Because, I believe that in all of their journey on earth, there is a kind of feeling in these ancestors who are connecting with me are telling me that, we have been so busy living our 3D life, that we hardly found time to connect with God, spirit, and our soul as such. We were not listening to the voice of our soul. We could have lived much better, much sorted lives if we found time for ourselves. So I believe the main message of the ancestors coming for this week is a lot of self-love. They want you to pay a lot of attention on yourself. Just that, don't get busy with the mundane and, everyday life, as in, life is going to pass like this. That is what they're telling me, that, this, every day, just, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this everyday course, and your life is going to pass. Pay attention to your life, because every minute, every second of your life is important. Where you are today, you need to enjoy that age. Don't think 5 years ahead, I will be here and then I will be enjoying every day. Make the most of it. Basically, they want to say that there is a lot of uncertainty connected with the life and death as such. So live the moment. Love your dear ones. Every moment, every day. That is a very strong message. I guess it's coming from the ancestors, my dear beautiful friends of love and light. And let's move forward and see our guidance messages. Proceeding right away, the crystals are here, going to give you the energies, dear friends. So again, what I'm sensing from your energy, extremely, grounded energy, in the moment energy, consciousness is high. So using this deck again, dear friends, let's see what the ancestors have to say. Whoa, what the ancestors have to say. So this week is all about ancestors. Wow. And a lot of Indians, in India, a lot of people are doing shrads, connecting with their deceased loved ones in heaven, their ancestors. And the festivity is also taking place because they are cooking food, they are, giving offerings, food and any other form. So that is beautiful. So like this week is all about ancestors, or maybe even if it is whenever you happen to see, I believe your deceased loved ones in heaven or your ancestors are bringing the week's energy. So let us see what is the overall energy of this week by our ancestors. So I didn't expect this, that the ancestors are going to connect so strongly for the weekly prediction. So let's see. What is the overall energy? Oh my world. We have the beautiful Princess of Wands. So this is a very beautiful, innocent energy. As if, oh my God, I got goosebumps. It's like, your ancestors. And I'm getting tears in my eyes. Oh my God, there is so much love. So this is a message from your ancestors that, they want to say that you're so innocent, you're so pure, you're just like a little baby to us. Here the Princess of Wands is, it's your inner child. It's you in your, younger years, like youthful you in your teens. And that is how they see you. And they want you to come into your passions, your creativities, and they want you to look forward towards life. They are saying that there are going to be a lot, many good news. Oh my God, I have goosebumps all over. they see you like a little girl. Don't doesn't really matter what is your gender, but the innocence of a little teenage girl, that's how they see you. And they're going to, in this week, your ancestors are going to connect with you and give you some good news. This good news can be in regards to travel, movement, or some kind of an adventurous thing. We see a documentation card over here. So, there is something, some kind of a letter, an email, a paperwork, something, some card, invitation, something that you're waiting on. You're going to get a news through your ancestors in this week. Wow, just love this energy. And the energy, overall energy of the week is extremely youthful energy. So your ancestors are going to work on your physical, emotional, mental body, and they're going to bring a lot of youth back into you. They want to see you like you were like a little, teenage child, happy-go-lucky kind of a child. So that is the energy they are going to bring into this week. Whoa. Oh my world, we have another female girl's card, that is Princess of Pentacles. So here we have the two females energies, beautiful young girls energies. Oh my God, I have goosebumps all over. For somebody, their ancestors are going to are saying that they're going to take birth, rebirth. They're going to rebirth themselves as a female, in your body most probably, or they're going to take rebirth as a child of your child, or somebody in the family is going to be a female child. Also, your ancestors are going to help you begin something of financial benefit in this week, either an educative program or some kind of a financial manifestation. See, this girl is making money. She's writing something. Maybe this is some poetry, something creative. You're doing something. So yeah, this is a very extremely innocent energy, but this innocent energy is an energy of somebody who is also very grounded, yet they have a lot of adventurous and passionate energy. So these are the two energies that are going to be in this week for you, and your ancestors are bringing these energies. These are their strengths. This is what they are saying, that we were grounded, we were doing our practical things, yet we were enjoying life. We were not dull like you. We were doing all these celebrations, we were cooking, we were eating, and most importantly, what your ancestors are saying, that we did not live the lonely life. We were mingling with friends, family members. We used to live in joint family patterns. And those are the things that the ancestors want to bring in for all of us. Oh my world. We have the Queen of Pentacles on the base. This is your ancestor. So this is your ancestor, and she has a lot of money to give you guys. Can be somebody's grandmother or great grandmother. Guys, we haven't seen our ancestors, we just know our grandmothers, great grandmothers or greater grandmothers, but hundreds of years back, so many years back, here is your baggage of money, and little they are going to give as a princess to you over here. This is the Queen of Pentacles, your ancestor, and she's going to birth something in you. So this is like your ancestor is going to bring their talent into you. So in this week, I believe in the healing that I'm going to make. I'm going to ask them to, put the seeds of their talents and strengths into our body, so that, we are being able to work on that and make money. So here is your baggage of money from your ancestors, my dear beautiful friends of love and light. Can you see this? Put your hands together and clap in for the ancestral energies, your Pitru Paksh coming in. Oh my word. So this good news is with regard to money and abundance that your ancestors are bringing. I'm just amazed how, this reading is turning out to be. Oh my world. And we have the month of September itself, and they say the excitement, and I have goosebumps. So they say in the month of September, create some excitement, or they're going to bring an exciting news. I can't lie, dear friends, I have goosebumps all over, and your ancestors are talking to me from 22nd until the 30th. That is the time frame, September month. Or when you happen to see it anytime later, month of September is going to bring a lot of excitement also, with your ancestors stepping in, bringing the good news towards you, your abundance. Oh my word. Guys, put your hands together and clap and welcome your ancestors. Here they are. Oh my word. This is amazing. I didn't believe that, this reading is going to be all ancestral reading. Oh my word. Let's see. More clarity, more clarity. So much excitement. Queen of Pentacles. Time out, guys. You guys have to spend time out. It's a time for you. Your ancestors are saying change. This is the change they want to bring into your life. They want to bring in domestic harmony into your life. So your ancestors are going to help heal your relationships, child-parent relationships. I'm going to work on all of this in the upcoming weeks, healing. Child-parent relationship is going to heal, partners relationships is going to heal, and siblings relationships or any relationships. And eventually they're going to bring number 46, that is number 10 in the month of October. That is the 10th month. We're going to have domestic harmony. That is what they're aiming to. We have another 3 and 7, that is 10. That is time out. And this is the 10-10 portal, dear friends. You've got to spend more time with your family. Domestic harmony should be important for you with the 10-10 portal. Time out, guys. So all those stresses, this is a change. Number 5. So this is a change your ancestors want to bring into your life. All of those stresses, they want to say that, guys, this is time. Live your life. Take time out. Go out. Spend time with your family members. Watch movies. Go eat out or cook for your family members. Sit together. Bring all of your family together. Your friends, extended family. Your ancestors want all of you to heal together. There should be domestic harmony for you guys. That's what they're going to work on. We have 10-10 portal with the domestic harmony and time out, guys. Whoa, the month of October, festivities, excitement, and it begins from 22nd, guys. You're entering the Libra season. Libra is the season of relationships, how it all synchronized together. Whoa. Oh my word. And I'm getting more and more excited now. So this week your energy is going to be very exciting. Your energy is going to be that of a little child. Can you see me how my energy is shifting? And your energy is going to be full of enthusiasm, love, peace, harmony. All right, so that is all your energy, but yet again checking a card to see your energy. So what is going to be the energy of the person who is watching this video? Loving it, loving it, loving it, dear friends. Oh my God, there's going to be so much of curiosity. Your energy is that of a curious girl, a detective, somebody who wants to know it all. Know it all, want to go into the depth of what my ancestors were, what were their strengths. We are not seeing their weaknesses. They have, they are divine souls. Once they left their body, all they have to offer you is love and light, love and light, love and light. So you guys are going to be in the energy of a very curious kind of a child. Whoa. Oh my world. We have the 3 of Pentacles. This is your energy. Exactly. It's the energy of working in a team. It's the energy of connecting with your soul tribe, collaborations, people coming together, families coming together, in your work area coming together for creative projects. And your energy is of somebody who is really appreciating your family members, your loved ones, your extended soul tribes, everybody. So there is appreciation, affection and attention. And the talents that you had never seen in your loved ones, you are recognizing them in your ancestors, in your grandparents. Whoa, this is your personality, creating beautiful things. So there is passion, creativity coming together. I have goosebumps, my dear beautiful friends. Your energy is that of coming together. Yes, now. Whoa. What else is there in your personality? Yes, we have spiritual, we have torch card. We have spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness and understanding. This is what is coming towards you. Perhaps if you did not have any understanding of how your ancestral patterns are working, you're going to get more, understandings from that. And we are from our ancestors, dear friends. We cannot deny. All of us, our skins, our features, our characters are from our ancestors. And our generations to come, a kid of our kid could be the soul of one of our ancestors. Don't we want to please them? Don't we want to nurture their souls? Whoa. So a lot of enlightenment. I have goosebumps all over. I believe the upcoming week is going to be very high vibrational energy, and every time you sense goosebumps in the upcoming week, goosebumps is kind of a very high vibration energy. I feel that the ancestors are around me. That's why they're going on giving me goosebumps. And when we get goosebumps, the energy is like, the universe is saying yes, 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 what you're saying is right. Let's see, dear friends, what's there in your environment. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Oh my world. And I picked this card, this deck for your environment. Let's see what's there in the environment for my beautiful friends of love and light. Oh my world. We have the King of Pentacles. This is another ancestor of yours, might be your grandfather, your father, but such a king with so much money, stability, security. They are stepping in, and we have goosebumps. Oh my, goosebumps as per ever. Oh my God, the cards over here. We have the Six of Cups card. In your environment, connection with your ancestors, guys. The card of nostalgia, the card of going back to your ancestral homes, your grandparents' homes, your grandparents, your ancestors are connecting to you. We have the energy of the Six of Cups, which means in your environment, your siblings coming together, parents, children coming together, ex-lovers returning, love, 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 families coming together. Whoa. And we have the Queen of Cups. Oh my world. How many times I've told you guys I love her energy. This is the nurturing, caring energy of Mother Mary. Mother Mary, Mother Venus, the mother's energy. So your mother in heaven is connecting with you guys. Oh my world, I have goosebumps. Your grandmothers. You're going to be feeling so nurtured, so loved by your, loved ones, deceased loved ones in heaven. We have the Knight of Pentacles. There is energy of younger males also. Children, teenagers, younger people, younger lovers, younger friends, groups. We have Ace of Cups, the overflowing love of your ancestors, your family members, deceased loved ones in heaven. Oh my world. And we have the Page of Cups. This is a love coming from a child in heaven. The younger family members who were there, who lost their soul at the younger age. Oh my God, I have tears in my eyes. Overflowing love is going to flow towards you, my dear friends. I can't wait to make this healing from the ancestors. Oh my world, all of the deceased loved ones in heaven, all of the souls of, I don't know from how many years your ancestors are connecting, guys. And or can we see this? Emotions. We have the Cup card over here, Page of Cups, emotions. We have the Ace of Cups, emotions. We have the Queen of Cups, emotions. We have the Six of Cups, emotions. So this is a massive emotional healing week, dear friends. I can't hold back my tears. How much love your ancestors are going to bring towards you is unbelievable. And you have invitations from your friends and family members. Come and join us together for the food and offerings that we are giving to the ancestors. Come and join family members. Everybody come together. Let's heal. Let's have domestic harmony. Let's eat together. Let's give our homage. Let's give our blessings to everybody and release your frustrations, Your period of frustrations, lessons have been learned. Take and completely release the fears of money that you have on your mind. All the lack is going to be fulfilled. Oh my world, my dearest beautiful friends, we have vacation being planned in your environment. There's a vacation that is being planned this week. You guys are going to be with your friends and family members. You're going to come in contact with a lot of loved ones. And we have the hat card. Your ancestors are going to give their, that position of authority towards you guys. You will be playing a different role, definitely, guys. You guys are getting a different, an upgrade, a status upgrade, a new role that your ancestors want to give. They're going to induce you with their strengths, their energies, their gifts. Oh my world, I don't have words to say. Whoo, what is happening? These ancestors are coming really strongly. Let's see, dear friends, from the Chinese astrology also. What is the energy? Yes, we have the transformative energy. Transformative change energy in your heart, your crown chakra, your lower chakras, and this energy is the energy of domestic harmony, relationship healing, a lot of love. This transformation your ancestors are going to do for you guys. Oh my world, oh my world, oh my goosebumps. Oh my G, OMG. Oh my God. So this all, week you guys are going to be like, oh my world, oh my goosebumps, oh my. We have friendships, exactly. So this is a week of your soul tribe coming together. There is so much hope, they are telling me. And there is hope, there is courage, there are relationships that are going to build. Massive transformation, dear friends, that's what they are telling me. From heaven above. Oh my world. So it's a week of friendships, and the friendship that is, your family members are becoming your friends. Your parents are your friends now. Your children are your friends now. You're talking with them heart to heart conversations. Your partner is your friend now. And there is this energy of friendship that you most probably missed. With your dear ones, you were like, oh my God, if my parents were like my friends ever, or if you felt that, I wish, my grandparents were like my friends, I wish my siblings were like my friends. That energy of friendship is going to be induced in your loved ones from your ancestors, and they're saying that we lived this beautiful life with a lot of love and affection, care. There were, merits and demerits in everybody, but we were not cutting relationships, we were not leaving homes, we were all together, we would come together and enjoy together. There was so much festivity. We would fight, yet we would hug each other. We were there as strength, and that is what your ancestors are going to do in this healing, dear friends. They're going to bring back the strengths of the olden times, the olden eras, which we miss today in our nuclear families. Everyone want to have their freedom. And there was freedom in olden times. They say we were pursuing our passions. We were less judgmental about ourselves and everybody. We were less critical. Whoa. What a strength of ancestors I'm already sensing. Amazing energies, guys. Let's see which chakra wants to talk to us also. We have our crown chakra, we have our grounding chakras with the blessings of ancestors. Guys, this is a supreme week. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in this week. Trust me. I don't have words. We have the heart chakra energy with the growth. Yes. Your ancestors are going to open up your heart more and more, see things from a different perspective. You're going to sense a lot of love. And we have creation energy, exactly what I was saying with your crown chakra. Yes, that passion, that creation, I have goosebumps, and literally look at the image. This seems to be your ancestor. Whoa, and they are bringing the creative creation energy in your crown chakra. So massive activation happening in your crown chakra. Intuitions, ideas, they're going to talk to you. Whoa. Heart chakra, crown chakra activation, which was my last healing. Yes, oh my world, and I have goosebumps. My last healing, guys, I was the healing where I said that, ascension journey, your next level up. My last healing, that's going to be very, very important for this week also. In that healing, I told you that I was seeing a pink and white color. That was my heart chakra and the crown chakra. So the massive upgrade was happening. Last week, most probably you guys were going through some mixed emotions that could have been a release, but this week, guys, you're going to sense your massive upgrade happening. Oh my world, I don't have words to express this energy, guys. I mean, this is overwhelming. This is a childlike energy. This is excitement. This is creativity. This is everything. But more than everything, there is belief, there is trust, there is coming together, and you are open for new relationships to enter your life. And you are open for healing in your relationships. You don't want to cut off people from your life. How many people are you going to pray that they should die? If this person dies, my life will be good. If this person dies, I want to cut off from this person. I want to cut off from this person. No. Your ancestors are saying life is not like this. Everybody doesn't need to die to create a life for you. You have to find your peace in your chaos. That is the Libra season energy. Whoa! Peace-loving Libras. You have to find your peace in your chaos. Libras are the people, or the people's people. Libras don't like to live a life of their lonely life. They like their me time, but they are the people's people. Yes. And you are going to be the people's people. People's person in the upcoming week. Whoa. Guys, let's see the blessings that are coming for us in the upcoming week. Let's see what blessings our ancestors want to give for the upcoming week. Wow, I just can't wait to make the healings, dear friends. Just pray for me that, all of the environment is conducive and I quickly make this ancestral healing. But even the last healing that I have made is going to be very important for this week. I'm going to attach it in the description of this video. Keep taking that healing, dear friends. Upgrade your vibrations. Whichever dimension you are, you're going to raise your synchronicities, guys. We have number 37 again, number 10. Moving on to the 10th month, that is the 1010 portal is completely telling me, they're giving me the idea for the 1010 portal healing. A blessing for unity where there was division. Exactly. Oh my world. And this is what your ancestors are doing. A blessing for unity where there was division. Wasn't the whole reading about this? In any relationships, there's going to be a massive healing coming from our ancestors, and they're saying a blessing on support. A blessing on support. Whoa, let's take one more from the ancestors. So blessing on unity where there was division. That is going to be the energy. All right. Last but not the least, we have a blessing on new venture. So there's a new venture that your ancestors are going to start for you in this upcoming week, and there's going to be an ancestral blessing on this new venture that is going to start for you guys. Whoa. Let's move on to the last bit of this reading, and we're going to pull one card from the magical tarot deck and see what is the gist, final guidance of the ancestors. This is a beautifully blessed week, my dear beautiful friends of love and light. You're going to sense very light energies in this week. A lot of protection. Everything is going to be healed. Loved ones coming together. And you will see that, there is so much more power when everyone is together. There is so less power in cutting off everybody. So what is the overall guidance that you want me to read in detail, my dear beautiful ancestors? What is the overall guidance? We have the Knight of Wands with the Nine of Cups energy. We have the good fortune. This is what is heading towards you guys. And we have the impulsiveness. Exactly. There is the impulsive energy. That is the energy of a child. So there's going to be a wish fulfillment, good fortune, and the impulsive energy. So this week is going to be, but this impulsive energy is no fighting. It's like, you're acting on your impulse. let's do this, let's do this, let's do things. Everything, Nine of Cups is, family coming together, sitting together, drinking together like juices and green teas. And impulsiveness, this is a childlike energy. Absolutely love it, dear friends. Let's see which one they want me to read for you guys. So Nine of Cups is a good fortune, wish fulfillment card. Knight of Wands has a lot of relation, both of them they want me to read. Knight of Wands has a relationship with your home area, your, healing at your home, again, your domestic harmony, or might be manifestation of a new home or a new family member being added. Let's see. I'm going to read it for you guys. Amazingly blessed week, my dear beautiful friends of love and light. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy yourself. We have the Knight of Wands energies, dear friends. Let's see what the Knight of Wands want to say. Hot-headed, unwilling to change, spontaneity and immaturity. I believe that, this is what I was saying. This is a youthful energy. This is the energy they are inducing in you guys. You can just be yourself. A teenager's energy, that is going to be your energy, and your ancestors want you be in the teenager's energies. It is okay. A teenager, when they are hot-headed, it is okay. They have a lot to speak. There's a lot of curiosity. They want to talk. They want to know things. Unwillingness to change is also okay. You can put your points together. This is a teenage energy. Spontaneity, immaturity, and it is all okay, dear friends. This is the energy of a youth. It is all okay. The Knight of Wands is the Tarot's wild child. Exactly. Your ancestors see you as the wild child, and they say that, bring out that wild child in you. You don't have to be wise one like a hermit, and you are wise one, but you don't have to sit in meditation all the time. Do your adventures. Live your life. The Knight of Wands is the Tarot's wild child, daring, brave and obsessed with the freedom. He lives life on the edge and encourages you to do the same. This is what your ancestors are saying. Live the life today. What are you waiting for after your retirement? When you won't even have, that strength to travel, are you going to travel after your retirement? Guys, live your life today. Speak, stand for yourself. What is it you want to say to your parents? Say it to them. Okay, fight with them. They are your parents. It is okay. The love is going to be there. Do you want to fight with your siblings? Say whatever you want to say. Ask them to say what you want to say. But you are there. All of you are there for each other. What more? It is all love. If you love somebody, you're going to fight for them. You're going to fight with them. That is the energy of your ancestors. You don't have to cut everyone out of your life. Significant progress can be expected in all areas as life goes from 0 to 100 quickly and dramatically. Guys, this is the ascension upgrade. Oh my world, I have goosebumps. Can you imagine? You guys are upgrading from 0 to 100 dramatically. Whoa. Significant progress is expected as in the areas as the life goes from 0 to 100 quickly and dramatically. Exciting nights out, last night vacations. Whoa. And fabulous parties are all on the horizon, while those looking for love could be swept off by their feet by an exotic stranger. Job offers abroad, relocations overseas, and changes in residence are also possible. Oh my world. There is so much excitement, there is so much impulsive energy, there is so much curiosity, there is so much youthful energy, there is so much, oh my world, oh my goosebumps energy, oh my God energy. So guys, this is the perfect time to be brave like the knight and try something daring, such as going on a blind date. Guys, who's going on a blind date? Comment down below. So this is amazingly high vibrational week. You're going to see the change in your energies, guys, from 0 to 100. That is your upgrade that has happened. I don't know you were on which dimension. If you were on third dimension, it's like you've reached your 12th dimension, something of the sort. So there's a massive upgrade in your energies. That's what they're telling me. Let's see the card of the good fortune, guys. 9 of Cups. Oh my word. And this is emotional satisfaction, complete emotional satisfaction. Your wishes coming true. Oh, can you imagine? We have abundance, rewards, appreciation, accomplishments, everything coming together. 9 of Cups is the in the Tarot is a wish card. It can signify anything from finding your dream job, partner or house to getting a promotion or winning an award. Anything is possible right now in love, work or home life. If there's something you want, now's the time to go for it. Yeah, you got to go speak, clear your doubts, misunderstandings and ask your ancestors for your gifts. From joining a dating site to submitting a book proposal, this is a card where your hopes and wishes really do come true and the gods and the goddesses answer your prayers. And over here, your ancestors are going to answer your prayers, symbolizing a happy heart and grateful spirit. It can also predict joyful times with friends and loved ones and a new relationship for single ones. So everything that is fortunate. So beautiful, impulsive energies. This is a fortunate time. So, act on your impulse. I would say fortunate time to act on your impulse should be the, title of this reading. So guys, now I'm going to pull some chits for group 1, 2, 3. Select your, group. Are you going in for group 1? Are you in for group 2? Are you in for group 3? Select it and let us pull 4 chits for group 1. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they have 7. So your ancestors are here. There's a lot for group 1. We have dream home at desired place is manifesting for somebody with the blessings of your ancestors, my dear beautiful friends of love and light. Let's see what else. We have the ex-lover returning with true love for somebody. Choice is yours. But this always talks about me to a massive growth in your heart chakra. It's like, the love you used to sense in your teenage, that kind of a love. You yourself as your ex-lover, coming back, that kind of love you're sensing. Oh my world, pile number 1, group number 1, I want your energies. You guys have jumped to the 8th dimensional energy in this week. Whoa, from whichever dimension you guys were, you guys have made a massive jump to the 8th dimensional energy is going to sense in this week. Goddess Venus energy, that's what is going to be your energy. Abundant energy, that is going to be your energy. Fertile energy, that is going to be your energy. Fulfilled, satisfied energy. So guys, you're going to be massively in the 8th dimensional energies, and we always say that children and youth are always in the high vibrational energy. So this is the energy of Goddess Venus, beauty, charm, abundance, everything. So you guys are very fertile in this week. You guys are very creative in this week. Many of you can manifest marriages, childbirth, anything that is that you touch is going to grow in this week. You guys, put your hand together for the 8th dimensional energies. Keep taking your healings, dear friends. You are on the high vibrational plane. The healing that I made last, I was talking about the 5th dimension and above. You guys are in the 8th dimension energies. My first group, love it for you. We have I'm fear-free for life forever and ever. Of course, in this high 8th dimensional energy, there is no fear. We have a new vehicle manifesting for somebody, a new home and a new vehicle, or might be a home with a new vehicle. So these are the blessings from your ancestors, and we have a massive professional growth and victory heading for you and your loved ones in this week. My group number 1, last but not the least, we have massive fame, recognition, success and popularity coming towards you. Whoa! Loved it, loved it, loved it for my pile number, group number 1. I keep calling it pile. Let's pull the chits for group number 2. What is there to come? So many, but I can't. I have to take them if they're giving me. Oh my world, group number 2. What are you guys doing? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What are you guys doing? We have age reversal, youth. Exactly the energy that I was sensing. That you guys, your ancestors are blessing you with the energy of youth. You guys are coming into the energy of your teenage. Age reversal, youth, guys, for you, that is your energy. Beauty charm, we have money, money and more money heading towards you. So this week a lot of money is going to head towards you. Goddess Venus, Goddess Lakshmi, Ashlashmi blessings. We have brand new life beginning for you with your change vibrations and change energies, guys, with your, the ascension healing. There's a new brand new life that your ancestors are going to bring for you guys. We have urgent salary increase or a job change for you. So for you guys, it could be a, week when your ancestors are going to bless you. Either you ask for a salary raise, you're going to be blessed, or, there is going to be a job offer in your hand and you put down your papers and they give you a salary increase, or else you are picking up a new job with an increased salary for you, your partner, your child, your sibling, somebody. We have freedom from toxic trap for you, past karma. This is what your ancestors are going to do for you. All the toxic traps of past, they're going to release for you in this week. And we have the dream home at desired place. Even for my group 1, we had the dream home. So your ancestors are helping you manifest your dream home at your desired place, dear friends. But we cannot ask for more. We have 5 yellow chits from your ancestors. You guys are extremely loved. We have the new career manifesting for somebody. Alright, we have the salary increase, we have the new job and the new career area for my pile number 2. We have the PR approved finally. This is the permanent residency approval coming for somebody. Guys, your ancestors are helping you movement to another country. Or what does PR mean for you? I think, this could be, property something, property raise or personal raise something. You can be approved. What else? Whoa, we have strong public image influencer. That is who you guys are becoming. Oh my world. And we have love marriage finally happening for somebody in your family or for you. We have finally I am my authentic self. That is your energy. You're coming into your original authentic energy. Who you were initially. Your ancestors are going to bless you with your own energy. Back into your zero energy of inner child. How you were born. How you were supposed to be. Before this world destroyed you. My dream home at my desired place. Even for Group 1, they had their dream home. So your ancestors are helping with the manifestations, tangible manifestations, guys, for you. Let's move on to our Group 3 and let's see what's coming for Group 3. Group 3, are you guys ready to see your blessings? 1 and 2 got many blessings. Let's see what's coming for my Group 3. Whoa! Group 3, you guys have reached the 9th dimensional energies. Group 3, your jump from whichever dimension you were in this week, you guys are going to sense the 9th dimensional energies. You guys are going to be in the 9th dimensional energies. They say expanded bright aura. That is what you're going to get in this week. You're going to be in the energy of the 9th dimensions. You guys have expanded bright aura. This could be a blessing from your ancestors also. But the healing that I have made for the ascension of your dimensions, do keep taking that healing in this week. You guys are in extremely high vibrational energies. They say expansion and connection with all dimensions. So in this week, you guys are going to Sense the expansion and the connection with the various dimensions of the universe. You can do time travel now. Oh my world, you can reach your past. You can do Akashic record travels. You can visit your ancestors. Guys, you are in a different realm now. Ninth dimensional energies have been opened towards you for time travel. You shift timelines easily. So, stepping into a timeline, I suggest you guys pick up the visualization healings. Visualize yourself in the timeline you want to be. What is it? How you want to look? What do you want to manifest in your relationships, in the outside world? You guys, with your visualizations, you can shift timelines for yourself. Highest consciousness. You guys are in the highest consciousness energies. My pile number 3, guys. Hats off to you. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Comment down below. My group number 3, guys. Bless me. Oh my world, you have the 8th dimension energies also. My group 1 had the 8th dimension energies. You guys are in the 8th and the 9th dimension energies because of the healing. You are in the goddess Venus energy, and that is the energy of love, infinite love, beauty, charm, and a lot of abundance. So you guys are in the 8th dimension and the 9th dimensions energy in the upcoming week. Guys, the energies keep shifting. We'll keep jumping, but for this upcoming week, 10 days, you guys are in very extremely high vibrational energies. Make the most of it. We have abundant energies. My heart is pumping. And we have fertile energies, and you're going to feel fulfilled and satisfied. So you guys are in the energies of the god and the goddesses. You are open to the higher consciousness, guys. You guys can be healers. You guys are doing something that is extremely elevating your energies. Unbelievable. You have the court case win. So court case win for yourself or your loved ones, your family members, somebody, a lawyer, a judge could be significant. We have the bank loan approval coming for you. All of this is happening with your ancestors' blessings, dear friends. We have empowered you, confidence and courage. This is what your ancestors are going to fill into you in this upcoming week. Empowered you, confidence and courage. And you guys in 8th and 9th dimension. Best of the best for my children. This is what is going to happen for you. One child, best of the best for one child. For many children, yes, but a blessing for all of the children you are coming in contact with. That is what is going to happen in this week. Last but not the least, we have my private wish that I cannot share with anyone is granted. Oh my world, this reading, guys, I don't know what the thumbnail is. If you happen to pick this reading, you guys are lucky. I would just say you guys are blessed by your ancestors. You guys are lucky. Grounding you with this energy of your ancestors. Let's connect very soon with the massive ancestral healings and blessings. Looking forward, dear friends. Wishing you a beautifully blessed week of high vibrational energies. Do keep taking my ascension healing. Last week, you guys might not have sensed that, where are we going? But this week, you're going to sense those energies. Enjoy yourself. Lots of love and best wishes. Thank you very much, dear friends.